welcome to my channel, Ali's Yummy Food. Today I'm filming from home, my hometown in Latvia, in Daugavpils with my family. And I'm going to be showing you how to make awesome food on this cool grill that my dad got. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. You can have the whole family around. You can put your meat and prawns or whatever, veggies, bread, and everybody can cook together. And yeah, I just thought I'll show you this video because it's fun. And my dad loves barbecuing and doing all this stuff, so every time I come home there's a new thing. Yeah, let's get started. Just outside in Latvia, and we're about to make some food in this new pan which my dad is obsessed with. So right here we've got some garlic and potatoes, and then some lamb chops, and right here I've marinated some prawns with garlic, lemon and honey. And right here we've cut up some veggies that we're gonna grill as well. You can use any vegetables that you like. I've got peppers, carrots, sweet corn, mushrooms are absolutely amazing on this, and some sweet basically like barbecuing, you know, you need to make sure the coals are nice and hot. It's supposed to look like this and nice and hot. We're gonna test it in a second with some hot oil to make sure it's nice and cooked. So my dad needs to make sure it's nice and clean first. I'm gonna add some oil to test. We're gonna start with the prawns. Look at them, they're so beautiful, been marinating for a day, and we're just gonna place them right on here. So just place them onto the grill straight away. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at alisyummyfood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. And they cook really quick, literally about 1 to 2 minutes, super quick. Look at that. Will you fall off? Look how juicy they are, absolutely. They smell amazing already. You can smell the fresh prawns coming through. How is it?
Very good.
Very good? Look how juicy they are. Absolutely amazing. So good. You don't even need a fork. I just like to eat it by hand. Of course, if you're gonna have some meat or steak, but with prawns it's perfect. They're peeled. Delicious.